Project Search. Hi, it's Danny again. Today, I'm continuing our series of presentations about environmental factors. And today's environmental factor is noise level. Please pay close attention to the presentation. There are questions within it that I would like for you to answer, and be ready to share your answers with the group when we get together to discuss the material. Project Search UTMC Remote Learning Environmental Factors Part 2, Noise Level. Do you find it hard to concentrate when there are loud noises in the environment? Do you function best when you have some way to block out the noise in the environment? Maybe you prefer being in places that are not quiet, such as bowling alleys or car washes. Are you more comfortable in places where you don't have to worry about being quiet? This presentation will explore the varying noise levels in different work environments, as well as some ways to overcome noise-related barriers you might have. Noisy workplaces. Some workplaces, such as construction sites, car washes, and factories, are frequently noisy due to the use of loud equipment. Have you ever used loud equipment to perform tasks? Have you been in environments where loud equipment was being used? How did that affect you? Do your best to come up with some answers to the questions so you can share them with the group. Other workplaces, such as restaurants and shopping malls, are frequently noisy due to the presence of large numbers of people. When you're in a crowded, noisy place, are you able to focus on your own activities and conversations? Do you get distracted or even anxious? Once again, think about these questions. Remember what it's like to be around crowds of people when lots of people are talking, maybe loudly and laughing and so on. Are you able to stay focused on what you're actually doing? Does it make you nervous? Are you interested in performing tasks that would require you to work in a noisy environment, but you don't know whether you can tolerate prolonged exposure to loud noises? One possible accommodation for this issue could be noise-canceling headphones. Noise-canceling headphones can be used to block out the noises in the environment that might cause you anxiety or irritation and help you focus better on your work. In some extremely noisy workplaces, noise-canceling headphones are even required by law to be provided to workers who perform tasks that could cause hearing loss. In situations where an employee has difficulty performing their tasks due to a disability, they can request headphones as an accommodation. So if you'll remember, we talked about disclosure and the fact that businesses have to provide reasonable accommodations under the rules of the ADA. Quiet workplaces. In some workplaces, such as business offices, health clinics, and libraries, employees are expected to remain quiet while performing their tasks. Do you enjoy quiet places? Are you more inclined to want to chat and perform tasks that create noise? Would you be able to remain quiet for several hours while performing tasks? Think about these questions and be ready to share your answers with the group. If you're interested in performing tasks that are typically performed in quiet environments, but you aren't sure whether you can stay focused in that situation, you may be permitted to wear earbuds to listen to calming music, or you could use a fan to create white noise. Please note, however, that some workplaces might not allow earbuds to be worn due to safety concerns. Are you sensitive to certain types of noises? Do you concentrate better when there is white noise or music to stimulate your ears? Try to think of two workplace tasks that interest you. Are those tasks performed in noisy or quiet environments? I'm looking forward to discussing this material with all of you, and finding out what your answers were to those questions. Until then, toodaloo.